You must dilute it. Do not use this directly on your face. Your face will burn. Like your face will literally burn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know, but forgive me, I am back and I have started breaking out again. It's not even funny. I would usually talk about this bad boy, but tell me why the last time I went to restock, this is now 20,000 naira. First time I ever got this was 3,500 naira. Why is it 20,000 naira? Nah, we've got an affordable option. And the reason why we are going to be talking about this boy today is because I had to go back to the drawing board when I started breaking out again. We usually not, think about the root cause of our problems, the root cause of the acne, the chest acne, back acne, body acne, face acne, pimples, whatever it is that you're having. After talking to a professional, I've come to realize that the water we use to wash our faces, have our bath, has a lot of germs in it. Your tank may have not been washed in so many months or even years. Yes, I said what I said. So if you're like me that travels all the time, you would realize that you don't even know the source of the water you're using to bathe or the water you're using to wash your face. You might think, oh, I've washed my face, I've cleansed my face, I've done my routine, but that water might have a lot of germs in it, and that's where this bad boy comes to play. With this, you have killed 99.9% of the germs that are present in that water. I saw a video at the difference between water that has been filtered and the water that would normally just use from our tank is crazy. So I've started to incorporate this in my routine and I thought to share it with you guys because I know that a lot of people are desperate, but until we come to check the root of the problem, this is going to be a continuous problem, right? We'll keep having these pimples, we'll keep wasting money on expensive products and keep having the same results. So I'm just bringing to our awareness that the water that we use could be the root cause of our problems, and so we have to tackle it with Dettol antiseptic liquid. This should not be a one-time thing, like okay, once your acne clears out, then you can just drop it. No, this should be like a staple in your routine. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I use this and how, and from the research that I've made, if you have severe acne, how you can also use this, and then how you can also incorporate it in your daily routine. You must dilute it. Like, do not use this directly on your face. Your face will burn. Like, your face will literally burn. Please, it's very important. If you have like body acne, chest acne, you can use this and dilute a full cover of this in your entire bucket of water. I know what that feels like you don't get to use your shower again, but you decide which one you prefer, a clear skin or people's filled skin. Okay, so that's what I have started using. I use this travel size. I bought two of it. I'm going to put it somewhere here. This for when I'm at home, and this travel size for when I have to leave to other places. I've turned this into an empty one that I had before. Then we need water, and then we need this. So here's what you do. This is what it should look like. Let me take this. And then use it to wipe your face. After 10 minutes, you go and wash off your face. If you do this and your acne clears after about a week, you don't need to directly cleanse your face with this anymore. All you have to do is just put half the um half the cover of the Dettol, put it inside your bathing water, depending on the level of the water, but you just want to have like a slightly milky color of your water to get the proportion right. When you use half of that, then use that continuously to have your bath, and so that you don't have, especially when you don't have control over washing of your water tank. But if you have the means, or you have control over your water tank, please wash your tanks as often as possible, because when you pump water, it brings up all those dirt that have been settled down in the first place. So ensure to wash your tank as often as every month or every 3 months. Otherwise, continue using this Dettol so that to avoid subsequent problems. So that's it, guys. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next. Thanks for watching. Bye.